Hi, my name is Ben Watkins. I'm with Nanolumens. I'm Channel Sales Manager. We're here at TD SYNNEX InVision 2025 in Dallas, Texas. And I'm showing right here our Engage Pro product. This is our 0.7 millimeter pixel pitch. So this is just a single cabinet, but we can, with this product line, Engage Pro comes in 0.7, 0.9, and 1.25 millimeter pixel pitch. This has an 8-year warranty all the way down to the single LED pixel and has a 100,000 hour lifetime. And so we stand by this product. It's our flagship product, our cabinet product. In addition to this, we have all-in-one. So we just came out with a new line of our Captivate product. We have those in 135, 165-inch HD, and then 162-inch 4K. And those are all-in-one, out of the box, comes in one single crate, everything easily mountable right out of the box. So if you want more information, contact us. You can go on our website at nanolumens.com, reach out to me, B. Watkins at nanolumens.com. Happy to help you out. Thank you for visiting.